सीताराम राम भगवान की जय।
जय।
हर हर महादेव। धर्म की जय हो, अधर्म का विनाश हो, प्राणियों में सद्भावना हो, विश्व का कल्याण हो, गौ माता की जय हो, संत समाज की जय, सत्य सनातन वैदिक हिंदू धर्म की जय, श्री महाकाल महाराज की जय। Bairam Mohandas Mahatyagi. Bairam is from Ujjain and Bairam is sending a lot of blessings and my soul pray to the all world peace and my interview is this that I am just very little das on my Lord feet and we are all trying to teach some things in the life by the many karma, but that is only my realization. I can say this is true or no because a lot of people have a lot of karma, but yes, I can say against and according to my realizations, my true realizations from the soul by the Shiva Kripa, that Shiva is the only one first in the world and on the earth to chant that name because Shiva is a Mahayogi or yogi. Yogi is a getting energy from the Shiva by the yoga, hatha yoga or by the pranayam, by the chanting, by the disciplines, life rules, which is a very important rules to make the life powerful or very happy with spiritual way. So that energy is a yoga. Just I am saying to also my very good realizations from my souls right now. I have a one very special my yogini with me. That name is a Shubhadragiri. She is from Shiva and also we are all from the Shiva. We have not any place, we have not any caste, we have not any country. This is doesn't matter that which country we are coming from, which country we have, which language we have, which color we have. We have a red color, blood color, so that color is a one color. That is a not a another, not a black, not a white. It is a one color. Our soul have a only one gender. So Shiva or Shakti, they have also both. So we are not a different between from the each other. We are a human. So I am saying about my talk, my soul talk about Yogini Shubhadragiri. She is very great Yogini, or also she can become a very great because she is doing a lot of good karma in her life. She want to make a yoga school. She want to make a meditation place, ashram, Shiva temple, many dreams she have. So I am saying my experience or my true talk about my Subhadra Giri Yogini. Everyone come to chant with her and she have a lot of knowledge. Human can get a very true way or very true realizations from the souls by the yoga study. So Jai Sri Sitaram, Har Har Mahadev.
जय श्री सीताराम। हर हर महादेव।
Okay, and now I make your. Okay, धन्यवाद.
जय श्री सीताराम।
हाँ.
ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्युमुक्षयमामृतात्। Greetings. Yes. Har Har Mahadev. This is now about yoga and give thanks Yogi Mohandas for your loving teachings about Shiva grace, Shiva Kripa and Mahayogi powers, the greatest teacher, the supreme consciousness
Haribol.
that give all yogis true power in Hatha Yoga and all are disciples of Shiva, every yogi and yogin. So is important for everyone in the world, in the yoga sports and in for doing yoga to know Shiva and to love Shiva and to give devotion to Shiva to get the fullness of power of Hatha yoga. And I'm just a little yogini. I just start serious practice, so I'm humbly here learning in India of the true yoga and seeking for samadhi from the masters who have gained samadhi. So Yogi Mohandas, can you answer to me if I ask like how hard is to get the highest goal of yoga, samadhi? According to Patanjali's steps, is the highest is samadhi, and in my practices I need everyday meditation, asana, pranayam, and to get good energies. The energies rise, the chakras get power, cleaning, and it really works. The yoga works, but to gain that real conscious concentration and that power of supreme bliss and joy, ananda, paramananda. So can you answer to this question that how how much practice and sadhana and hard it is to gain a samadhi for someone like me?
Okay.
Har Mahadev. I have not a lot of experience about Anant Samadhi. Anant Samadhi. Anant Samadhi is a last point, means last destination to reach nearby God for the whole time. For the whole time, how much times he have on the earth a samadhi. The yogi is taking a samadhi and he's thinking to take a samadhi for the long time. That time he have not any point, any destination. Only he have to think about that I am going to meet my universe, to meet my real guru, to meet my real yogi, Mahayogi. So that time he's trying to take a Khechri Mudra. Khechri Mudra means by the breathe, 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 breathe. He's going very high. And there is a four way to go in the Anant Samadhi. So that time he is trying to think he want to come back or he want to not come back. If he want to not come back from the samadhi, then he's trying to take a decision that time. Okay, God, now only this is my place. So he's going on the samadhi slowly, 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 slowly. He's going very deeply, and that time he fall. He don't understand where he is on the earth or on another planet. He no understand. That time he's taking sankalp that this body is finished. Always this body, this is the mrata sarir, mrata, sadhana dham. Sadhan means this is the vehicle. Dham, inside we have a holy place. Moksha karadwara, by the karma we can get a moksha. Pahina jehi paralok sithadhara. The Shastra is saying pahina jai. No one can find this human body for the samadhi. This is also very hard tapasya to find the human body in the world for the many, many karma. So the gods, the Shiva is saying, Pahina jehi paralok siddhara. The human is going to watch the human first if he is deserved to go in the heaven, if he have a deserve. So that is dependent only on the karma, Shiva. First, more than high meditation or more than high yoga is a seva, because by the seva we are doing all type of exercise or all type of darshan or all type of healings we are getting by the seva, because 5 rules: Snan, Dhyan. So Dhyan is a seva. If you are chanting meditation, you are doing like you are thinking in your mind, Baba, I have to not go in the temple. Okay, right now I am doing my mansik puja. By the mind, I am trying to watch your pictures, your murti in my mind, and I am trying to give you massage by my hand by the astral journey. That time he's also doing seva. So seva is a many kinds of seva, many kinds of seva. No one seva, many kinds of seva. Any seva we can do to find the real God, talk from the universe, because when we are in the seva, the God is talking with us, the universe is talking with us, the universe is giving the knowledge where you want, where you will do this, where you will find this, where you will do this, where you will find this. That time universe is with you, Shiva is with you in the seva. Without Shiva we cannot do anything. So in the highest samadhi we can take a highest samadhi in 6 months, slowly, by the step by step. But in the meditation, this is very important. No think that I will take any realizations, or I will take any decisions, or I will take any solution in the meditation. There is a no point. The love have a no desire. The love have a no requirement. The love have a no demand, because love is the God and God is the love. So love is always dedicated to love. So when love is the dedicated to love, then the love is the impure, the lover of fire. Then the fire is the coming and is a fighting with fire, fire to fire. Then Jwalamukhi is a coming. Jwalamukhi means lava. And then the Jwalamukhi is a coming. And where Jwalamukhi will blast, we no understand. But we can take that understanding again about, we can take that understanding by the sadhana, by the dhyan. How much nectar we have deserve to drink, how much nectar our body can protect, how much power we have. So we need to drink that emotions, that realizations like a big ocean. When that is the stuff, one by one drop water will go in the water, one by one drop, then water will be complete. Or we can flow that water in one time, but one by one drop the water is getting fully. That is the also nature. We are not so fast, we are all just a student in the class, in the Shiva class, all is a student. No one is a perfect yogi, no one is a perfect yogi, no one is the greatest yogi. Shiva is a Mahayogi, but we can try to make a, we can try to do something, because without karma also life is nothing, life is dying. So karma is a important, and karma is a giving something also incredible to the life. So according to the sadhana, we can get a lot knowledge about a long samadhi. Yes,
Jai Sri Sitaram.